We wanted to make a brief comment about the current market sell-off during the first 2 weeks of January 2008. This is one of the more disruptive sell-offs in the history of our financial markets, and it bears some perspective on what's going on. As we've explained to our clients and other investors during the past couple of months, we expect the turmoil emanating from the subprime mortgage meltdown in the United States, which has affected the banks, to last for some time yet. What's occurred is there's been a tremendous amount of leverage built up in the financial system, which has encouraged many investors to purchase investments on borrowed money. They're finding that the value of their investments has gone down significantly, and consequently they're being asked to repay their loans. What we have here is turbulence in the banking sector, mostly emanating from the US, but it's affecting global banks as well. Consequently, we're seeing investors exiting the market driven by fear rather than rational decision-making. Great opportunities exist in today's markets for a variety of reasons. Bearish sentiment in the market is at an all-time high. This suggests that now is not the time to think of liquidating your portfolio. In fact, it's just the opposite. Central banks around the world have adopted a coordinated attempt to ensure that the banking system continues to operate smoothly. They've injected huge amounts of liquidity into the system to encourage banks to lend to each other. The purpose of this is to give banks time to repair their balance sheets, to take their losses, and restore investor confidence. This process will likely take 6 to 9 months, and getting from point A to point B is not necessarily a paved road. At Toron, we've taken some defensive measures in our client portfolios, particularly in regards to our holdings of US securities. We've ensured that most of our US holdings are in companies which are multinationals, which are earning their profits from regions around the world which are doing quite well, and they're not relying exclusively on the US economy, which is experiencing a slowdown. At times like this, it's critically important to focus on the long term. At Toron, we'll continue to monitor the global economy to ensure that our current strategy remains appropriate.